So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be unboxing my order, sa kami na naman, from Beauty Glazed. So I ordered this last Monday. Yes, so ang bilis yung dumating, or last Friday. Ang bilis yung dumating. So 1 week din. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, like, and share and comment on this video. And don't forget to follow me on my social media account, Instagram, Darius Evardo, Facebook, Darius Evardo. So without further ado, let's wrap up this video. ASMR moment. So here's it. Napakaganda. Okay. So nakasealed pa siya. So let's hear that. Wow, it's so beautiful. So there's a little bit smudges here. So disclaimer lang, I've already sprayed alcohol. Very safe. Stay safe. So here's the Colorfushion Over the Rainbow Beauty Glaze. So we're going. So there's a shimmer or glitter palette. Yes, and here's the matte colors of the Beauty Glaze. Yes. So for 350 pesos, it's worth it. So I'm going to swatch first the shimmers. Start with these. Followed by this. Look at the pigmentation. Yes. The orange one. Oh my god. Watch the matte colors. Let's create a rainbow. So my order has a freebie, so the brush, and also I have this eyebrow pattern, and I could also use this as a card. So guys, I hope you like my swatch, short unboxing and review with this Beauty Glazed Colorfushion Over the Rainbow palette. So like it. So before I end this video, I will just remind you that don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell, and don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video. And at the same time, please follow me on my social media account, Instagram, Darius Evardo, and Facebook, Darius Evardo. So that's a wrap. Bye.